Today I'm going to be talking about information literacy. And information literacy is defined as the ability to identify, define, and evaluate information effectively and efficiently. This is something you learn and acquire throughout the years, you just don't have it. There are four main categories within information literacy. The first is new literacies, and this has to do with multimodals. It is characterized by using multiple activities and using them to help learn. And then second is academic literacies, which deals with your learning development. Third is media literacies. This is the critical use of non-textual communication formats. And the last one is digital literacy. And this is the skills of technology. It also connects with the learning and safety of the internet. There are some steps to help improve your information literacy. One is to define, so figure out the problem or the question that you have. Two is to find. Find credible information. This could be from books, websites, magazines, etc. Three is to evaluate. Evaluate the information you retrieved and make sure it is sources that is credible, reliable, and valid. Four is to organize. Organize all the information that you have compiled. Five is to communicate, and communicate your found and organized information, whether it be to a client, to a friend, a parent, or a group of people. All in all, the characteristics for information literacy takes a person and turns them into a lifelong learner. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned a little bit more about information literacy.